Let's take a look at the global market highlights for February 28, 2014. U.S. durable goods slide. Yellen's testimony rallies markets, and crude oil tumbles. Let's take a quick look at what is happening in the global markets now. As the month draws an end, along with the cold winter weather blanketing the U.S., traders are hoping that economic data in March shows an improvement. The S&P 500 has set a new record as buyers pushed U.S. stocks higher, helped by a cautiously positive view of the economy from Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen. At the closing bell, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 74.30 points to 16,272.71. The broad-based S&P 500 rose 9.15 points to 1854.31, exceeding the record closing high of 1848.38 set on January 15th this year. Stocks were seen extending gains after a congressional testimony from Yellen, with the new Fed chair indicating the central bank would consider delaying its taper plans should economic data deteriorate further. The Fed will also maintain rates at current levels for an indefinite period. U.S. durable goods orders fell for the second straight month, dipping 1% in January. However, orders lifted 1.1% after stripping out the volatile transportation category. The result was better than expected. European shares markets pulled back from a day-long slide, finishing mostly mixed. London's FTSE 100 shrugged off poor corporate results that weighed on it during the day on Thursday to end up 0.16% at 6810.27 points. Frankfurt's DAX continued its slide for the third consecutive day, losing 0.76% at 9588.33 points. The CAC in Paris recovered losses through the day to end up treading water down at 4396.39 points. Asian stock markets mostly rose in cautious trading. In the foreign exchange market, the euro picked up from a two-week low hit during the day against the greenback after comments by Federal Reserve Chief Janet Yellen to the U.S. Senate. The euro was trading at 1.3708 to the U.S. dollar. The euro stabilized against the yen at 140.06. The dollar gave up a little, trading at 102.16 yen. Britain's pound dropped a little against the euro at 82.20 pence, but gained on the US dollar to 1.6680. Moving to the commodities market, gold headed for the first back-to-back monthly gain since August, as concerns that the U.S. recovery may be losing momentum and turmoil in emerging markets boosted haven demand. Assets in bullion-backed exchange-traded products were set for the first monthly increase in 14 months. Gold for immediate delivery was at $1332.61 after touching the $1340 level. Crude oil fell to 101.87, falling as much as 0.5% in New York. Brent declined to the lowest in 2 weeks yesterday as gunmen occupied government buildings in Ukraine and Russia, put fighter planes on alert. WTI's discount to the European benchmark crude narrowed this month to the smallest since October as winter storms bolstered U.S. heating fuel use and stockpiles. This is Amy Anderson from Option Rally signing off. Follow me on Facebook and watch for our new financial terms of the day and our weekly event news. And of course, I'm waiting for your like below if you enjoyed this Market Watch. Have a great weekend.